Asuntosketju Hauen verkko.
It's with these directional modern also.
Yeah.
Today on the 5th of February 2025 we have Runkokatu 14 stages here. It's in Haukiluoma in one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland. I love these directionals. Four floors built in 1987 by Valmet Otis is P1 and the 018, sorry. Let's try two ones here. It has beige doors.
Yeah.
I think the cab walls could also be beige, maybe.
Yeah.
Where's these photos of these backgrounds?
It's skitfucky vain inte meitä intressant.
Back to the street level, probably got it.
Yeah.
Well, that's it, and I got no sure to you. Let's go to the other staircases here. It's probably made of G or
Yeah, but then not all of them have elevators, but
not all, but like four.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's